Welcome to Centric Auto Repair. We are in the middle of North County in San Marcos. Our mission is to deliver the most affordable and effective car care service in the industry through trust and high ethical standards. I can fix your car right, and I can fix it right the first time. I have so much faith in my staff that we give you, the customer, nationwide warranty. What does that mean and how does it work? It's pretty simple. I'll give you an example. We replace the starter. You're traveling, you're out of state, and it fails in Texas. Well, guess what? Our warranty will cover that starter. We do everything from simple oil changes to major tune-ups, all makes and models, but we specialize in one thing, and that's people, customer service. What does customer service mean? Most people are not prepared for major failures, so we gotta be empathetic. Everything will be okay. Second part of our customer service is getting you back to where you need. You dropped the car off already, but now what? How do I get around? Well, we have Lyft accounts, we have Uber accounts. We'll get you back home or get you back to work. We also work closely with Enterprise Rent-A-Car. This message goes out to anybody that works or lives in the North County. I can be your car guy. Give me a chance to earn your trust. The best value I can give you is great service with even better warranty. For no contact service, go to our website. Look for our pre-check-in form. Guys, my name is Victor, and I can't wait to meet you.